Welcome to Melon Playground. Officially, I got more games in there. What do I do again? Melon Playground. Maybe not size comparison. I'm not too good about that. Hope this at least gets 500 views. Chances is it won't not. But if I don't get it, I don't care about it. If I get my first 100 views, I'll get happy. Or if I get more, I'll be very happy. But if I didn't get it, I won't be happy, and I won't be sad either. I'll just be midden. But at least I never get 10 views. At least I never get 1 view. At least all my videos have never got a single view. Remember, I got a secret to tell you. What is it? Promise it's not a knife shot. Probably. Pranked. Okay. Let me see what. Look at Tomato's cool tricks. We can do a backflip. Look how I do it. This is me doing a backflip. This is how I expect my backflips. Okay, got an idea. Gonna do this. Make a stock of until the pumpkin. You're all squished in. Cactus, tomato, and one again, and dragon fruit, and finally rotten coral. And then first they got shot, and first that's when the grenade exploded. That was the day when the grenade exploded. See, that sounds like real fire. Hey, what do you want? You wanna be stuck in the wall? Hey, I got this. Could do. Unfortunately, you could die of punches. Whoosh. What American thinks what I think Britain is, what some people think Britain is like. Just some people. No offense. Nothing to do with it. Nothing really to do with it. Just what they think of it. On a 7 a.m. I wake up. We'll do that. Wow. Went to the door and say, hello neighbour. And say, alright, alright bruv. You want a pat in the hand, bruv? What are you, mate? Well, you're trying to get some water. Instead of them saying, can I have some water, please? They say, mate, it's not water. It's a bottle of water. Drinking tea time. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Eat my plate of fish and chips. Eat my plate of fish and chips. Fish and chips was delicious. I have no reason why I go like that. Again, all over again. Lusty. Default to tea again. I'm not going to restart the morning routine, but I'm going to go into where we are now. The House of Parliament. having a walk. I'm having a little walk around London. Walk around London. Back to the British Union. Stop. Tea time again. I'm back to bed. Dinner and bed time. That's it. What I think of the